Hello, guys. Welcome to another wonderful session of learning mathematics with prep class. I am BC. I am a prep class tutor. In this video, I'm going to be solving Loyola JC College Entrance Examination Paper 3 from question 21 to question 25. Subscribe to our channel because this is where you can get more videos like this. Also, like and comment on this video as I will be happy to respond to you in the comment section. Thank you. All right, question 21 says 2 over 5 plus 7 over 8. So we have to do this. These are fractions. So we have to add these fractions together. Now, what kind of fractions are 2 over 5 and 7 over 8? They are unlike fractions. Why are they unlike fractions? Because they don't have the same denominator. 2 over 5 has a denominator of 5. 7 over 8 has a denominator of 8. So they are unlike fractions. So we cannot just add them. So to add unlike fractions, we need to get a common denominator. And then we can do this by obtaining the LCM of the denominators. What is LCM? LCM is lowest common multiple. So we can use the prime factorization method to find the LCM of these denominators. So the first step is to express each of the denominator as a product of its prime factors. So the denominators are 5 and 8. So let's express 5 and 8 as a product of their prime factors. So 5 is 1 multiplied by 5. 8 is 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4. Then now we multiply all the prime factors. So we have 1 times 2 times 4 times 5, which will give us 40. So the LCM of 5 and 8 is 40. Now that we have found the LCM, we need to convert the denominators to the LCM. So the denominators must be the same as the LCM. How do we do this? We do this by multiplying the denominator by a number that would give us the LCM. And any number we multiply by the denominator, we must also multiply it to the numerator. Alright, so 5 multiplied by what would give us 40? 5 multiplied by 8 would give us 40. So we multiply 2 by 8 as well to give us 16. So the second fraction is 7 over 8. 8 times what would give us 40? 8 times 5 would give us 40. Then we multiply 7 by 5 as well to give us 35. So now 2 over 5 plus 7 over 8 is now 16 over 40 plus 35 over 40. So can you see now that they both have the same denominator now? So all we have to do next is to add the numerators and divide by the common denominator. So we have 16 plus 35 divided by 40. 16 plus 35 is 51. 51 over 40. So that's the answer. All of the options are mixed fractions. So this means we have to convert this to a mixed fraction. So how do we convert to mixed fraction? We convert to mixed fraction by dividing the numerator by the denominator and writing as quotient, which is the whole number, remainder divided by denominator. So let's divide 51 by 40. 51 divided by 40 is 1. 1 times 40 is 40. 51 minus 40 is 11. So the quotient is 1, the remainder is 11. So 51 over 40 equals 1 whole number, 11 over 40. So 2 over 5 plus 7 over 8 will give us 1 whole number, 11 over 40. You can see that adding fractions is actually very easy. It's actually very easy. Okay, so the correct option is C. 1 whole number, 11 over 40. Number 22, simplify 96 plus 88 in bracket minus 47. Okay, so this is very easy. So in mathematics, when you have more than one operation in a question, you have to follow a rule called the BODMAS rule. So this BODMAS rule is for order of operation. How do you do your operation? So you do the bracket first, you do off, which is replaced with multiplication sign, then you do division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So in this question, we have brackets, we have addition, we have subtraction. Okay, so according to BODMAS rule, we have to do the operation in bracket first. So the operation in bracket is 96 plus 88. So let's do 96 plus 88 here. 6 plus 8 is 14. Write 4, carry 1. 9 plus 8 is 17, plus this one is 18. So 96 plus 88 is 184. So now 184 minus 47. Now let's do that here. 4 minus 7 is not possible, so we get 1 from 8. It remains 7, and then this becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. 1 minus nothing is 1. So the answer is 137. So 96 plus 88 in bracket minus 47 is 137. So you can see that this is actually very easy. Once you follow this simple board math rule, you'll be able to get your answers correctly. All right, so the correct option is C, 137. Check. The next question, question 23. Find the perimeter of the square shown. So this is the square, and one side is given as 55 centimeter. So what is a square? A square has four sides, right? And the four sides are equal. What is the meaning of perimeter? Because we're asked to find the perimeter of the square. Perimeter is the distance around a shape. So you have to find the distance around this shape. How do you find the perimeter of a shape? All you do is to simply add the length of all the sides. The perimeter of a square is 4a. A is the length of one side, and A here is 55 centimeter. So let's find out the perimeter of this square. 4a, that is 4 times 55 centimeter. Let's do that here. 4 times 5 is 20. Write 0, carry 2. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. So the answer is 220. So the perimeter of this square is 220 centimeter. So you see that it's very easy. Just use the formula perimeter of square equals 4a, and then you get your answer. So the correct option is D, 220 centimeter. Check. Now let's move on to question 24. If 17 tanks can contain 64 cl of liquid, what quantity will 384 tanks contain? Okay, so this is actually very easy as well. 17 tanks contain 64 cl of liquid, right? And now you are asked, what quantity will 384 tanks contain? Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to find out how much of liquid one tank will contain. So if 17 tanks contain 64 cl of liquid, one tank will contain 64 over 17 cl of liquid. Now, all we have to do to get the quantity for 384 tanks is to simply multiply the amount of one tank by 384. So 384 tanks will contain 64 over 17 multiplied by 384. So we have it here, 64 over 17 multiplied by 384. So we can make 384 a fraction by dividing by 1. So let's do this now. 64 multiplied by 384 divided by 17 times 1, which is 17. So let's multiply 64 by 384. Let's do that here. 4 times 4 is 16. Write 6, carry 1. 4 times 8 is 32. 32 plus 1 is 33. So write 3 and carry 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 6 times 4 is 24. Write 4, carry 2. 6 times 8 is 48. 48 plus 2 is 50. Write 0, carry 5. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. So now let's add this together. 6 plus nothing is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 3 is 4. Then 2 plus nothing is 2. So the product of 64 and 384 is 24,576. So let's divide this by 17 now. When you do your long division, you find out that 24,576 divided by 17 is 1,445.64 cl of liquid. So 384 tanks will contain 1,445 cl of liquid when we round up to the nearest whole number. So the answer is 1,445 cl. So 384 tanks will contain 1,445 cl of liquid. Now, so the correct option is C, 1,445 cl. Now, the last question in this video, question 25. What is the place value of 2 in 67.4132? A is tenth, B is hundredth, C is 10,000, D is 1 million. So we have to find the place value of 2 in 67.4132. First of all, what is place value? So place value is the value of a digit in a number, and this depends on the position of the digit in a number. In mathematics, every digit has its own place in a number. So 67.4132 is a decimal number. So in a decimal number, you have the whole number part and the decimal part, or the fractional part. So 67.4132 is made up of 60 plus 7 plus 4 tenths plus 100 plus 3,000 plus 2 10,000. So now the next thing is to arrange the digits in a place value chart. So all we have to do now is to arrange the digits in a place value chart. So how do we do this? So we have tens. So since the first one is 60, which is tens, so let's start from tens. Tens, units, the decimal point, tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000. Okay, so let's place the digits in the place value chart now. So we have 67.4132. So the question says, what is the place value of 2 in 67.4132? Now, what's the place value here? 2 is in the 10,000th place. So the place value of 2 in 67.4132 is 10,000. So you can see this is very easy. All you have to do is to draw a place value chart and put the digits, and then you get your answer. So the correct option is C, 10,000. I hope you enjoyed this video and you were able to learn a lot. Please subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. You can also join us on WhatsApp by clicking on the link in the description below. Till I come your way next time, bye for now.